if you see for different operating systems, how to install Python and where to check which version we need to install, we will discuss now. There are many interpreters available freely to run Python scripts. What do you mean by Python scripts? We'll be learning in the upcoming sessions. That comes bundled with the Python software downloaded from where? From there is a website called http python.org. We'll see this now. This is the website. This is the official website wherein we can check the Python downloadable files and Python documentation. It is a very nice one. So all of you visit this particular website and search for Python downloadable to your respective operating system. Suppose if you are using Windows, you need to check for Windows. If you are using for Linux, you need to check for Linux. Linux, most of the things are inbuilt, but some you need to download, like a later version or patches you need to download. And Mac OS also, it's like Python 2.7 comes bundled with Mac OS, but you need to install Python 3 manually. So Windows, this is the information, and even all the information available from this website only for all the operating system. So Linux, Python comes pre-installed with popular Linux distribution distros, we call it as, such as Ubuntu and Fedora. We check which version of Python you are running, you are using, or you are running. Type Python in the terminal. You will get to know. After typing, it displays what is the current version is running. Then likewise, Mac OS. Generally, Python 2.7 comes bundled with Mac OS with it. You will have to manually install Python 3. Okay, so these are the brief idea of Python, when it starts, who found it, and what are the versions currently what you are using, and which is the website we need to refer. So these are all very very important things. Please visit python.org, this one, and you can see downloads, source code, Windows, Mac OS, and other platforms. Documentation you can refer here. Community. So Python has having a large community wherein they're contributing upgrades, patches, security fixes. So many uh, experts are there in community. They help us, and success stories, news events. Go to this now if you see, and also here downloads. If you click Windows, the latest version Python 3.13.0A3 released on January 17th. Okay, you can check older versions. See 3.11.7, 3.12.0. Like this, if you scroll, you can check all the versions released, and that is the history available here. See lot of versions, like what is the version, what are the features about it. So you will get to know everything. Here Python 2.1, 2.2, all the Python 2 versions are available. See this information. Now we'll see our first program. I'll use general print statement. It is all this particular print command is there in each and every programming language. Print welcome the Python programming world. Wish you good luck. To start career with it, something like this. And in next session we'll discuss about how to install Python, all those things. But currently in my machine I have installed Python. I'll show this particular print execution by using Python interpreter. Go to command prompt, and here then Python. Here I will save it, but before to that I'll save this file and save this code state. Python print 1.py. Save it. Now execute by using Python interpreter. Since I have installed, I can type the command to execute Python file. This we need to type python followed by file name with the extension .py. All Python programming files, they should have extension any name followed by .py. So Python, this is the one where we have created just now. See, it has printed with it. So that's all for today session.